Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirk with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia near Metro Atlanta, and today is part 3 of my series of setting up a brand new QuickBooks Online file. And as you can see, we're back in the Kathy's Bookkeeping Test file, which is the file that we're setting up. And from last time, you might remember that we went in here and we verified that these balances here match what's on the bank statement, and then we verified that this balance right here did not match what's on the credit card statement. So I ended up having to go offline and do a little bit of work. Now I'll show you what I did before we proceed on to what we will do next. Okay, so I am looking at the balance sheet for the file that we're transferring over the balances from. And as you can see, for the checking and savings account that we're moving the balances over, you can see that those balances match what's on the bank statement dated 12/31/2020, as well as what's in the new QuickBooks file. But if you go down to the Fidelity Visa, you can see that those amounts do not match. So there's a little bit of work that I had to do in order to figure out where the discrepancies lie. And so when we come back, we will talk about those, and then we can go ahead and fix those before we move forward. Okay, so I have the Fidelity statement here, and as you can see that the new balance on it is $1,772.16. But you've got to remember that the closing date on this statement is January 14th of 2021. So we've got to take into account those transactions that are on this statement that are not in the QuickBooks file to adjust those totals to make sure everything matches up. So when we go to page 3 of this statement, you'll look and see that there are about 7 or so transactions here that we need to make an adjustment for to make sure everything lines up with where it needs to be. So you add those numbers up for those 7 transactions, and the total of those transactions, which are basically dated after the cutoff date for the year, and those total up to $339.22. So you're going to take that $339.22 and subtract that number from the $1,772.16 to arrive at the $1,432.94, which matches with what's on the balance sheet that we looked at earlier that ends on 12/31/2020. So with those totals verified, we need to consider the earlier transactions before the December 31st date. So we'll do that next. Okay, I think I'm going to end it here today because my computer was freezing up on me and I had a few other things that did not work out exactly the way I was hoping to because of that. So I'll probably go ahead and do some of the stuff offline and then just kind of do the next video showing you what I did to get to where we need to be ready for the next steps. So hopefully this will help you. Y'all have a great day, y'all. Take care, everybody. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.